How to change currency on Steam. For that, first of all, open any browser you have on your device, then on the searching bar, search for Steam. Then go through the official website of Steam and make sure that you have logged into your account. Now here, if you choose any game that you want to download, then there you will see the currency. For now, I'm searching one game and there you can see we have dollar right now. To change the currency, you have to change the reason of your whole system. Once you change or place different reason in your system, then the currency will also appear different. This is the only way to change currency on Steam. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.